The ultimate oscillator measures momentum across 3 different time frames at once, which is meant to reduce the false signals you get from single period oscillators. Here's how to use it on TradingView. First, hop on any chart you want to use it on, click the / key. Go to Ultimate Oscillator, and there you have it. Now, you'll notice a new pane pops up on the bottom. It's a line. Now it reads between 0 and 100 with overbought up near 70 and oversold down near 30. Because it blends a short, medium, and long period together, it's slower to give a false reading than something like a fast stochastic. Now, I'll open settings so you can see the 3 length inputs that make it work. Simply head over down to the pane, hover over the name, go to settings. Now look at inputs. You have fast length of 7, middle length of 14, slow length of 28. Now again, these are just suggestions and you can always change them to fit your own trading style. Other than that, have a great day, guys.